Good morning, Gladiators. Today is Monday, April 12th, and we are beginning week 4 of this last grading period. So if we start off by taking a look at our week at a glance, you're going to see today you're going to do an activity that will count as a lab grade. It is over competition in an ecosystem. When you finish that, you have a check for understanding to complete. Tomorrow we're going to discuss how there are changes in the environment. Some are long-term, some are short-term, and then you'll have a check for understanding. On Wednesday, we're going to start talking about human impact on an ecosystem, and that will continue through Thursday. On Friday, you will have another activity that will count as a lab grade, and this will be about human impact on oceans. So if we take a look in today's folder, you're going to see that you have the lab called Mice-Dice Island. Now, it's important that you read the instructions carefully. So what you're going to do, if you take a look, you're going to see what happens to mice. You're going to start out with a population of 10. In order to determine what happens to the mice, you're going to roll some dice. So when we look, you are going to either die from lack of starvation, you're going to give birth because you got your food, your water. A 4, nothing happens. Habitat destruction, you're going to lose a mouse. And shelter, you're going to add 1. So these are the numbers that you would roll. So you're going to click on the digital dice. If I roll the dice, you're going to see I have a 3, a 6, a 3, a 3, a 4, and a 2. So over here, you can copy those down here. A 3, 6, 3, 3, 4, 2. So now that I have my information right here, I'm going to go up and see what happens. So with a 3, I'm going to add 1. With a 6, I'm going to add another one. 2 more 3, so add 2 more. A 4, nothing happens. And a 2, I'm going to add. So this was a good year for my mice. So I have 5 births and no deaths. So my total is now 15. So how did I get that? 10 plus 5 minus 0 is 15. And then you're going to roll again. And you're going to continue that for the entire time until you've done it 10 times. You're going to use this information to answer questions, and you'll just answer over here. Okay, so the question is on the left, you'll answer on the right. When you finish, submit that for me to grade. If you have questions while you're working, I may not be available during class time because these in-person students are going to be doing an activity outside, but I will get back with you. Message me if you need me. Have a great day, Gladiators.